Creating a seamless connection between your indoor and outdoor spaces is one of the most desirable features in modern home design. While patio doors often get the spotlight, picture windows play an equally powerful role in strengthening that connection. With their expansive glass and unobstructed views, picture windows transform ordinary rooms into bright, open spaces that feel connected to the outdoors. For homeowners in Rowlett, picture windows are an excellent way to enhance indoor-outdoor living without sacrificing comfort. Expanding your view, picture windows are fixed, non-operable windows designed to maximize glass area. In Rowlett homes, their large panes create a wide, uninterrupted view of backyards, patios, and surrounding scenery. Whether overlooking landscaped gardens or open skies, picture windows frame outdoor spaces like living artwork. This visual expansion makes interior spaces feel larger and more open. Bringing in natural light is essential for creating warm, inviting interiors. Picture windows in Rowlett living rooms, dining areas, and open concept spaces allow sunlight to pour in throughout the day. The abundance of daylight enhances colors, textures, and architectural details inside the home. Bright spaces feel more welcoming, comfortable, and connected to the outside world. Creating a seamless design flow indoor-outdoor living is about more than just access, it's about visual continuity. By installing picture windows that face patios or backyard areas, Rowlett homeowners create a smooth transition between interior decor and exterior landscaping. This design flow helps outdoor spaces feel like an extension of the home. Enhancing relaxation and comfort, a strong connection to outdoor views can positively influence how a home feels. Picture windows in Rowlett residences allow families to enjoy natural scenery year-round from the comfort of indoors. Whether relaxing in the evening or hosting guests during the day, expansive views contribute to a calming atmosphere. Supporting open concept living, many homes feature open floor plans designed for connection and movement. Picture windows amplify this openness in Rowlett homes by spreading light across multiple areas. Sunlight flows from one room to the next, reinforcing a sense of spaciousness and unity. Maintaining energy performance, modern picture windows are built with performance in mind. Rowlett homeowners can enjoy expansive views without compromising comfort. Advanced glass technology helps reduce unwanted heat transfer while still allowing natural light to enter. This balance ensures indoor spaces remain comfortable even with large window installations. Highlighting outdoor entertaining areas, backyards and patios often serve as gathering spots. Picture windows facing outdoor entertaining areas allow Rowlett homeowners to maintain visual connection with guests outside. This is especially useful during gatherings, where indoor and outdoor spaces work together seamlessly. Increasing curb appeal, large picture windows not only enhance interiors, they also elevate exterior design. In Rowlett neighborhoods, homes with expansive glass features often appear more modern and inviting. The clean lines and bold visual impact of picture windows contribute to strong curb appeal. A smart upgrade for modern living, indoor-outdoor living is about blending comfort, beauty, and functionality. For homeowners in Rowlett, picture windows provide a powerful way to strengthen that connection. By maximizing views, enhancing natural light, and creating visual flow between spaces, picture windows transform how a home feels and functions. It's an upgrade that supports everyday comfort while bringing the beauty of the outdoors closer to home, without ever stepping outside.